Hi everybody, this is Sonya, and I am here to do the third Crochet Carousel package update. I want to let everybody know that the package is progressing right along. There have been no problems. Everybody has received their package and they have mailed their packages right away. So this swap is moving right along. It is going to be at the 6th person tomorrow by what the tracking says, and that will be Ella, who is No Catchy Name on YouTube. She will get it tomorrow, and like I said, she is number 6. I am number 11. So we are on the downward side of the swap now. So I just wanted to come on and let everybody know that it is going smoothly, and there has been some awesome things that have been in that package so far. Make sure to go check out all of the people that are in the swap, and if you are in the swap, please check out everybody. I will make sure, I think I forgot in my last video to put the list, so I will do that tonight, and I will have the list down below in the order that everybody is receiving their package, so that you can follow along and see the things that have been taken from the package. There have been some beautiful yarn. There has been granny square books, like how to make different styles of, I guess you would say, of granny squares, like some with flowers in the middle, and just different, really pretty books with really pretty designs in them for granny squares, and yeah, just a lot of neat, interesting things. So I can't wait to see what else, comes in the package as it continues on its journey. So please make sure to subscribe to these people and watch their unboxings and see what they did get as it works its way up to you. And if you aren't part of the swap, please feel free to follow along with us and see what everybody gets to keep. So anyway, that is all I have. I just wanted to come on and let you guys know. I think it's been about a week. I just wanted to let you know it's moving along. We're on the down slope now. We are at person number 6, which is Ella. She should get hers tomorrow. If the tracking is correct, she should have hers tomorrow. So anyway, thank you guys all so much for participating. I appreciate that you all are getting those packages right back out for me, and that this is moving along as quickly as it is. It's moving along really quick. So I appreciate that so much. So anyway, everybody have a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.